Welcome to Cooking with Gringo, where my mother-in-law is the type of person that has all kinds of seasonings, but doesn't use any, not even salt and pepper. You have to season your own food when you get it. Maybe that's why my wife can't cook anything that's not out of a box. Today we're going to make Mexican red rice. To a blender we're going to add 1/4 of an onion, 4 Roma tomatoes, 1 serrano pepper for some spice, a couple sprigs of cilantro, rest of that onion that fell off, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, and about 1 cup of our water for our rice. And now we blend. We set this aside and get started on our rice. To this pan we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of manteca, or for you gringos out there watching, lard. We're going to let that melt down. Now that the lard is melted, add 2 cups of rice. As it's cooking, you gotta keep it stirring, because what we're doing is we're browning the rice, getting a nice brown color on it. We don't want it to burn, so you gotta keep mixing it. Because once it starts to brown, it will burn very fast. Now that the rice is brown, we're going to add our tomato sauce into there. Now we add the rest of our 4 cups of water. And we'll let it come to a boil. Now that it's come to a boil, we're going to turn the heat down low. I'm going to add 2 more serranos to the top. All the serranos that have been added are optional. If you like the heat, add it. If you don't, leave them out. Or use jalapeno peppers. Now we're going to put a lid on it. Now this is the most important part. Letting it sit for 20 minutes. Don't open the lid. Don't stir it. Nothing. Just let it sit for 20 minutes. And 20 minutes later, we have rice. We'll get in there and fluff it up. And now we dig in. And now we eat. Bon appetit. For a gringo, that ain't bad. Remember to like, share, and comment. Thanks for watching.